In this video, I will tell you about the knit of the pumpkin. I knitted it like this. I knitted one with a normal and the other with a blow system. Now we will knit it in this video with you. Now I choose this color one rope for him. And now I'm starting. So this is for beginners too. Well, if there are those who will knit for the first time, for them too. I will explain it in detail like this. Let me show you how to make the magic ring at first. Magic ring this way. Filling my finger. I'm passing here. My rope is like this. And this is how I form my ring by making one chain. Then 8. Squeeze. Through my ring. This way. I do injections often. 4, 5, 6, 7. I made 8. Then this. Pulling from the part. I combine. And from here. I take one loop and slide a loop like this. I've completed my first row. By the way, I used 2 mm crochet. According to the thickness and thinness of the rope. My crochet size is also changing. Then I double sync in every loop from here. I had 8 frequent needles in total. Now I double down on all landings, double syncing into 8 in total. I reached 16 frequent needles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In the next row, one single one says come out. So inside my first loop, I do it alone and put my marker. I'm double syncing in the next loop. After my second loop, I do it alone. There, I'm making a couple and until the end of my turn. In this way, it's my turn to sync into the first loop, single second loop, double. I repeat this until the end. I repeat it until the end of my turn. I had 80 frequent needles in the first row. In the second row, double syncing in all loops 16. I had frequent needles. Later, in the third row, one single and one double syncing. I had 20 for frequent needles. Now I'm coming to fourth place this time. I'm making to single. I made one. I'm determining my place. I'm making 2. Later, I'm making a couple. Same goes for the end of my line. This way to single. 1 as a couple. I keep going and at the end of my turn 32, I will have reached the frequent needle. I continue this way until the end of my turn. I continued until the end of my turn. And this way, I finished my 4th row. Now I'm coming to my 5th place. In the 5th row, I will make 3, only 1 exaltic. Same way from the beginning. I do and determine my place. 1. I made to 3. 4th. Double syncing. In the same way. Until the end of my turn, I will continue. And at the end of my turn, 40 in total. I will have frequent needles. Now we will continue our increases in this way. I will come to the end of the row by reducing 3 by 1 in the 5th place. Later, for 1 by 5 1 work, I will continue 1 by 1 like this. 8 single 1 couple is so 70 in total. No, eat only one output. Until I have a total of 80 frequent needles, I will have grown it. I will increase every time. I will continue this way until my 10th place. I completed my increments in this way up to 8 single one pair. Yes, I'm coming now. I'm coming 11th row. In 11th place, a total of 80. I had 1 frequent needle. I'm going to knit it straight one way in a row, without increasing all the frequent needles. Sinking one by one, I will continue to knit until the end of my turn. I knitted 80 frequent needles straight in a row. Then I'm coming to my 12th place. I will increase in the 12th row. I made my last increments 8 single one pair. Now here I will make 9 single, making 1 pair. I'll do a row increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made 9. I'm increasing 1. Do it the same way. I repeat until the end of my turn. Yes, at the end of my turn, I had 88 frequent needles by increasing 9 by 1. And it's my 12th row. We can count these days like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Yes, 12 rows from 13th to 30th row. Increase without reduction. I will knit 88 tight needles straight one to all my loops. I'm knitting up to the 30th row by sinking in 1. Yes, I knitted it straight from 13th to 30th row. I'm starting my reductions now. Let me show you the reductions. Let's determine our place. Rope if you wish. You can use cow identifier. I will make 9 single. I will make 1 reduction. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made 9 from those front loops. Taking. I'm doing 1 reduction. Again, I'm knitting 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I bought 2 of them from the front loops and made a reduction. We continue this way until the end of my line. I made 9 only 1 cuts until the end of my turn. Now 8 in the same way. I will make 1 less. I will repeat this until the end of my turn in the same way as reduction techniques. 1 single until 1 decrease. I will continue my reductions. So here 16 frequent needles. I will continue to reduce until I stay. Also inside nice tight one way. I will fill fiber. Yes, only one. I did my reductions until less and filled it with fiber. So your according to your hand setting, you can adjust it according to its frequency. In the next row, I will continue my reduction again. In this reduction, let me show you. I will reduce all rows and 8 in total. I will have reduced all my loops. I'm going by reducing. So this way I will continue until the end of my turn. I made my reductions in all rows that much. 1 place left, so I have 80 frequent needles left in total. I cut my rope and here too with a needle. I'll close this way. From the front loops, I'll take all. 1 by 1. turning. 3 sew in total. 8 of them. Passing through the front loops of the loop. I do it this way. And after the last apple. Measurements. I'm pulling it like this so that it won't break slowly. And this way. I'm closing my knitting place. This too. By removing it from anywhere. I hide my rope. I hid my rope. Now, we will make these distinctions that you see here for him too, with the help of a big 1 quilt needle. It will be easier. I'll show you if I can fit the screen. Now sinking from my end point. The first frequent needle I knit. I'll try to sink there. Inside the magic ring. I'll try to sink. I'm sinking there. Yes, I'm down pulling the rope. Now I pull my rope tight. Now you see here, there are particles like this 8 according to them. This way. From here again, dipping from the bottom. Again. I'll try to get my needle out of the same place. I'm coming out my needle again. Yes, I took it out again now. Pulling my rope. From these lines. This is how I shoot. And again in the same way. Burden. And I'll divide it into these 8 pieces. I did this before. I'll do this side later. I'll split it in 2. I'll divide it into 4 later. After dividing it into 4, passing through the others. I will divide it into 8 pieces. So that's because it's hard to do on the screen. I told you. Do it and come like this. I parted the pieces tight my ropes. Now I'm going to make the handle part like here. I will do the handle part with green rope. You can do it in any colors you want. Starting with the magic ring, inside my magic ring. I do 6 frequent injections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made 6. And join my ring. Later, after uniting my ring, I'm making 1 single, 1 double. I determine my place. I made 1 single. Then 1. I'm making a couple. This is how I continue until the end of the line. So in total, I have 9 skinny. I'm making a couple. Single. And I double the last frequent needle. Second place like this. I did it later 3. From ordinary to 6th place. I will knit 9 frequent needles without increasing. Up to 6th place. I knitted 9 frequent needles. Now I'm coming to 7th place. At the beginning of the 7th row. I'm doing CC, so I'm scrolling stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. After 4 more. I have 5 frequent needles left. I'm knitting straight. 3, 4, 5 in the next row. From the places I made to CC, that is, I scrolled stitches, descending often now by. After straightening the row, I'm coming to 9th place in 8th place. I do the same thing again in 9th place. I'm making for CC's, so I'm scrolling stitches too. 3, 4. Then I have 5 frequent steps. I will continue straight 1. In the next row, squeeze 9 needles. I will knit straight again, without increasing and decreasing. I'm coming straight. Yes, now E. I knitted it straight in my 10th row E. I'm coming 11th row. 11, also in order. I'm making to single. I'm making 1 pair, and the county 12 often goes to the needle. I will repeat this until the end of my turn too. Single, 1 pair. Yes, later after the end of my turn. 1 row 12 squeeze needle. Straight weave without increasing and decreasing. In my 12th row, I knitted 12 frequent needles straight. I'm coming 13. In the 13th row, I make 1 single and 1 double. I repeat this until the end of my turn. At the end of my turn, I have 18 frequent needles. The next row has 18 frequent injections. Straight 1 way, without increasing and decreasing. 18 squeeze my needles now after knitting a row straight. Then I'm coming 15th. Also in 15th place, I'm making to single. I'm making 1 pair, and I get a total of 20 for frequent needles. Later too, I will knit 1 row of 20 for frequent needles straight 1 and 16. Next, I will have finished the construction of the handle part. Yes, I finished making the handle part. I'll sew it here like this. You can put a hand if you want. If you wish, you can make a hand or not. It's up to your choice. I'm sewing here and coming this way too. I've done it and I've finished making pumpkins. The other on my pumpkin live. Well, he has different techniques. I will tell them live. This is my pumpkin, so thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate if you like my videos. Also related to leaf making. Video, if you want, in the comment section. Or from Amigurumi page on Instagram. If you write it, according to it, the leaf is in line with the demand. I can shoot. Thank you.